Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to have a PC build for you guys, so please stick around. It's going to fit the budget between $500 and $1,000. Before we get into the build, I just want to say thank you to my subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. There will be giveaways every 2 weeks. The next giveaway, I'm thinking about doing a gift card giveaway. It's either going to be $10 or $25 to GameStop. If not to GameStop, please, in the comment section down below, please say where you would like to have a gift card giveaway. All right, so let's get into the build. So for this build that's under $1,000, I'm purchasing everything off of Newegg and Amazon. Of course, it can be cheaper if you look at Micro Center, get used parts, and go to eBay. Alright, so the first part that I would purchase is the Asus Prime 300 series motherboard. It comes in at $128. The next part for this build will be an i5 8th gen processor, which has 6 cores and a base clock speed of 2.8 GHz, and it can be turbo boosted to 4 GHz. This CPU has integrated graphics, so if you plan on playing games like Fortnite, you do not have to worry about getting a discrete graphics card. But if you would like a discrete graphics card, the graphics card option that I have for you guys is a Gigabyte GeForce 1060, which has 3 GB on this GPU, and it's priced at $239. That is a great price for GPUs at this time because they are still in the crypto mining phase, which is hard for people to buy at a budget. The next thing that you want to have for this build is 8 GB of RAM, so I will buy 2 4 GB sticks, which comes in at about $100, or you can buy 1 8 GB stick for $78. You can shave off about $20 there. The next few parts that you need to worry about is storage. I'll have a 1 TB Western Digital hard disk drive for $44 and a 240 GB solid state drive for $50 on Amazon. So right there, that's roughly $100 to the budget. The next thing that I will purchase is, of course, my CPU fan, which comes in at $37 on Newegg, and you get a $10 discount. So I will be paying roughly $30 for that. Last but not least, the last 2 things that we need is something to put all these parts in, which is going to be the Fantex tempered glass case, which is $60. Lastly, you'll need something to power all of these components for your PC. So I have an EVGA bronze power supply. It has 600 watts. This comes in at $34. On Newegg, you actually get a coupon for $10. So instead of paying $34 for this part, you'll be paying $24. So if you paid for everything full price and you included the GPU, you'll be paying $845 for this build. If you take the GPU out, you'll be paying only $605 before all the coupons and rebates. Alright guys, this is this week's PC build. These are the components I would purchase if I was personally building my own PC right now. But of course, you can always change the components to fit your budget. I will be posting every Monday, Tuesday, and Fridays at 7 p.m. So please stick around. Those of you who are waiting for the winners for the giveaways, they will be announced at this Friday's video at 7 p.m. So please stick around. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment. In order to enter for the giveaways, you must be a subscriber and you have to comment on the videos. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Ajaxx.